Hello, my name is Oliver. I'm a high school computer science student at the Gull Lake High School. Today, I'm going to talk about computer programming. Those two words have a lot of confusion tagging along with them, so the goal of this video is to help you make sense of them and to teach you about the basics of computer programming, Python programming specifically, at the beginning of your journey into the world of ones and zeros. So here's over here with the main question. What is computer programming? Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result or to perform a specific task. Programming involves tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, profiling algorithms, accuracy and resource consumption, and the implementation of algorithms in a chosen programming language, commonly referred to as coding. Hold on, I'm over here in the wrong spot. Let me just get to, oops. So, first thing we're going to talk about, let's go here. Python programming. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. So, first thing that we're going to be talking about today is the print function. In Python programming, the print function is a built-in function in Python that is used to output text or variables to the console or other standard output device. It's one of the most commonly used functions in Python, especially for beginners, as it allows programmers to display information to users and debug their code. Over here I have an example. Right here you say print, put these quotes in, and you put whatever you want to write. So I'll show you. So actually, wait. Let's do this first. Let's run it first. This is what we have. So it says F9, learning the print function. Okay, when you run that, it says this is what we have printed here, right there. Now I'm gonna add print, enter, or tab, not enter, the quotes, and say hello YouTube. This is gonna be fun, or whatever you want to write. Then, once you're done with that, press F10. Boom, you see it right there, print it down there. Now, these ones are spaced out because I have this right here, which is new lines, new lines, new line, right? So if I want to do that, I would press \n. Say I want to do 2, \n again. F10 to run it, and it puts a line down. Now, so that's the print function. Next up, we have variables. In programming, variables are named storage locations in a computer's memory that hold data. They are used to store values such as numbers, text, or other types of data which can be referenced and manipulated throughout a program. So here, enter the variables. So right here, this is the variable right here. First name, last name, age, all of those are there. That is the variable right here, where it says my name. That is the value of that variable. That is the data that the variable holds. So you see all of these, you can print. So first name Oliver, last name Gibbs, 14, school equals my Gull Lake High School grade. I'm a freshman. So let's go down here. You can see print hello, comma. If you then you type first name, and it will actually, instead of just printing the words first name and last name, or age, or any of that stuff, it will actually show you what that variable, or show you that variable's value. So, right here is hello, first name, last name. Right there. Hello, Oliver Gibbs. Now, you see this comma here, but you don't see it down here. That's because this comma is used to concatenate these two values. Because this is a string, and this is not a string. Up here. Actually, no, wait, it is a string. Oh, no, it's just because it's to concatenate these two, I think. Combine them. So that it prints right. So yeah, that's variables. Next up is conditional statements. In Python, conditional statements are used to make decisions based on specific conditions. They allow a program to choose different paths of execution based on whether conditions evaluate as true or false. True or false here in this situation is very important. Over here, you see that, let me switch this. You see if x is greater than 20, print x is less than 20. You see if x is less than 20. If x is greater than or equal to 20, print x is either greater than or equal to 20, and so on. So, oops, that's a little messed up. So, right here, another example of a variable, right there, username equals Blue Devils, password equals 123. Now then you put input so that it shows the user, it gives the users the opportunity to input information. Same here, it says if password, so if username input equals Blue Devils, it will print this. The condition is if the username input equals Blue Devils. Right, in this situation, if it's true, then it will give you this. Password input equals password plus this, and then it says if password equals password input, which is right there, it will print this text. If not, you put else. So instead of if not, it's else, which will print this right here. So let's try that out. Oops. Username Blue Devils. See, and you can see it says you have the correct username. I put the password in 1, 2, 3, enter, and it prints all this extra stuff, all this stuff. This is what we're focusing on right now, though. Don't worry about this stuff. But this stuff right here. That's what you need to focus on, because see, you put the inputs correct, making the conditions true, which means it gives you what you printed. Now, let's give you another example. Age to vote. So, age to vote equals 18. Age equals this integer, because input, so you have to enter your current age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, it will print your age meets the legal requirements to participate in the voting process. Proceed. If else, meaning if it's not greater than or equal to 18, or it is less than 18, then it will print your age does not meet the requirements to participate in the voting process. You were eligible to vote in this many years. It'll print that. So let's print the age. say 18. Enter. Yes, and then because the condition is true, it'll print this saying that it was allowed. But if you go back, let's do 4. Oh, oh, shoot! I gotta rerun it. Gotta do this again. Let's do 4. Prints your age does not meet the requirements. So because it's not true, age is not greater than or equal to 18, so it does not print, and the condition is not true. Here it says you're eligible to vote in 14 years because it's 4 plus 14 is 18. But to get for it to say that, you have to say age to vote, which is the variable, minus age, which is another variable from up here. So age to vote minus age, and then it says, well, 18 minus 4, 14. That's how you get that. Just real quick before I wrap this video, here's another. I want to just show you another example of a print function. Here you see print, and so on. I want this right here. Great song right here. This song, you print, new line, so spaces, to center it, new line, and you just put all of these down here. This right here, if you see that, that makes it a string, which means that it's a word or text. It is a text, so that's what it prints, text or words. I wanted to say thank you for watching. Go like and subscribe, and I will make a new video soon.